You are excited about your future career, and you want to stand out. You need to be prepared to think across borders and work with people of different cultures wherever you are to give you the edge you need. Our 12-week Cultural Intelligence Certificate gives you the tools to thrive in a global economy and hit the ground running once you graduate. It's the perfect complement to your academic program. This flexible certificate is available to you at no additional cost and will help elevate your skills and personal brand. The best part? You can participate in this unique experience while completing your academic program. You'll walk away with intercultural and leadership skills that will help you stand out. Sounds great, right? Think global and get ready to move ahead in your career. Find out more at georgebrown.ca/globalmobility.